90% of British life makes sense. The other 10% seems absolutely bonkers. So if you're trying to find magic, it's that 10% you have to pay attention to. So says Little Ben in the children's book Hyacinth and the Secrets Beneath. Author Jacob Sager Weinstein takes us on a tour of London's 10%.
So this is just a shopping arcade. There are a number of these in London. In Hyacinth and the Secrets Beneath, the entrance to sort of the magical world of the sewers begins in a shopping arcade like this. A lot of the things in Hyacinth are based on specific locations.
Yes, in Jacob's books, the magical rivers running beneath London are merged with the sewer system. Hyacinth must go deep into the filth of centuries to save the city from the devastation of unchecked magic. Magic, by the way, that she unwittingly and stubbornly let loose.
Everything we see from here forward exists as a place to house sewage pipes. It was all built as part of Bazalgette's big London sewage scheme. And this is actually, in this area is where I first had the idea for the book, because it's just sort of such a pretty and beautiful area. That the idea that it was all just basically like something to put sewage pipes in just struck me as improbable. So I thought clearly there's a more logical explanation, which is magical secret rivers.
A Secret Beneath the City explains London oddities like this apparent cathedral spire rising out of a parking lot in Charing Cross.
But there has been sort of a traditional London story that sometimes, a joke that cabbies will play on tourists, the idea that this is the spire of an underground cathedral. And so sort of anything that was a London legend or a joke, I decided it was fair game for my story. So
it's not just water that is seeped in magic, but the stones of London as well. In Book 2, Hyacinth and the Stone Thief, the ancient walls and statues of the city are being taken by a girl with swirling tattoos.
Okay, so we're here on the north bank of the Thames, but there on the south bank is the Royal Festival Hall, which features in Book 2 and Hyacinth and the Stone Thief. In actual history, there used to be a factory run by a woman named Eleanor Code, where she manufactured artificial stone. What the history books don't tell you is that those were magical stones that could come to life. So there are a series of Code stone statues throughout London that in times of trouble will come to life and protect the city. In Hyacinth and the Stone Thief, those stones reunite on the old site of their factory, which is now the Royal Festival Hall, to discuss a crisis that's befalling London and what they can do in response to it.
While not every children's librarian can follow Jacob down the cobbled streets of London, they can transform their library stacks into the enchanted rivers of London, aka sewers, with a game Jacob and Curious City created. That literary treasure hunt, complete with adaptable clues, can be downloaded free at curiouscitydpw.com. Just search London on the site to locate it. And remember what Hyacinth said, magic is real and history is a big fat lie.